Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another pedigree and blood relationship problem for you. John said, "This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. How is John related to a girl?" And as usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So when you draw a pedigree, you should get a picture like this. So here's one couple that has a son, and the son is married, and he also has a son, and his son is also married. So here is going to be a John, and here is going to be John's mother. And he is the son of the John, and here is John's son wife. Again, John's son would be grandson of his mother. So let's analyze what we see in our problem. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. So he is the mother of the John, and John's son is the grandson of his mother, and here is his wife. So what is the relationship between John and wife of his son? And John is going to be father-in-law of the wife of his son. So answer D. But some people may say, why not, for example, we can see also picture like this. So here's a couple which has, say, two children. Let's say one would be female, another would be male. So here's a John, and here's a John's mother, and again, let's say John's sister is married and they have a son who has a wife. Now let's analyze this problem again. This girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Could John say this according to this pedigree? This girl is a wife of the grandson, and this person is a grandson of the mother of the John. So this pedigree also works well according to this description here, but should we consider this pedigree or not? Actually not, because between John and his nephew's wife there is no blood relationship, and there is no any statement here which would describe this type of relationship. So we have to ignore this variant. Those, if we would have here another variant like not enough information provided, we should choose another variant, because two variants are possible here with different variants of relationship between people. But because we have an answer here that perfectly describes relationship in this pedigree, then this is why we choose this variant of the answer, and that's why we ignore this variant of the pedigree. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.